All right, guys and gals, welcome to the Monkey Trap first unveiling. So check this out. My friends over at Hot Wheels, and they also own Matchbox, so don't get confused about that, decided that it was time to start cleaning up our environment, and they've got an initiative that by 2030, they're gonna be making most of their toys in carbon neutral form, which is what this Tesla Roadster is. So check this out. When I say carbon neutral, 99% of this, the thing inside it, the box itself, everything is from recycled components. That's 99%. Now, I had a ton of Hot Wheels when I was a kid, probably thousands of them. So I like to think that hopefully some of those Hot Wheels made their way into the recycling bin that contributed to this Tesla Roadster, my boy Elon Musk, he's a badass, and Matchbox and Mattel and Hot Wheels, you name it, they are doing it right, and they're doing it right now. So I know that some of you Hot Wheel collectors out there are gonna freak out that I'm opening this box and probably messing it up, and I shouldn't be pulling this tape off or anything else, but you know what? When the gods at Mattel and Matchbox send you something and they tell you it's good for the environment, you listen, so check it out. Boom. That's what it's talking about right there, carbon neutral. That's what we should be all working for, trying to save the environment and the planet itself for that matter. So Matchbox is the first to do it with these little toys, and that is cool. I can feel the cardboard here. It's kind of pressed. You can tell that this is a recycled pressed material. You know, you can make cardboard from recycled. We've known that for a long time. But what we have is a die-cast metal Tesla Hot Wheel. Look at that. Whoa. Oh, you can't do that. You can't even make the noises anymore. This is the best thing for kids. Go out and buy your kid one of these right now, because he won't be doing like I was, like, he's just gonna be like this, real quiet. Because you know what? Teslas are electric and they don't make any noise. So your kids will then play quietly while you sit in the other room and watch, well, your favorite guy on television, Richard Rawlings at the Monkey Trap. Yeah, woo! All right, I love it. So, if you got kids or you're a collector, get out and get you one of these. It's gonna be a little while before they're all made this way, but hats off to Mattel and Matchbox. Good job, carbon neutral Tesla. I'm digging it. I'm still gonna make my noises though.